Show the parts to be installed. Remove the pre-installed screws. Install the handle holder. Install the filter. Position the microdermabrasion handle, hydrofacial handle, and spray handle within the holder. Connect the microdermabrasion handle to the main machine's suction connector, using the black hose, which can also be used to connect the glass tube. Connect the spray handle to the release connector on the main machine using the red hose. Connect the blue hose to the solution connector and the transparent hose to the recycle connector. Attach the waste and fresh bottles to the main machine. Connect the power cord. Attach the microdermabrasion tip. The upper switch controls both the microdermabrasion and spray functions. Adjust the microdermabrasion suction intensity by rotating the upper knob. Attach the hydrofacial tip. The lower switch controls the hydrofacial function. Control the hydrofacial water flow by rotating the middle knob. Manage the hydrofacial suction intensity by rotating the lower knob.
Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Saturate cotton pads with cuticle softener and apply them to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Microdermabrasion application cleans impurities and excess sebum in the pores. Recommended suction setting, set it based on the individual situation. Press the applicator onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently rotate and lift the applicator and then move to the next spot. This applies to the forehead, nose, and chin. On the cheek, glide the applicator from the chin towards the temple, repeating until the entire cheeks are covered. Repeat on the other side. Glass tube application, enhance cleansing effectiveness. Cover the mini hole with your finger to prevent a loss of suction. Press the applicator onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently move the applicator towards the hairline, ensuring the treated spots are connected. Repeat until the entire targeted area is covered. This applies to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. For areas with severely blocked pores in the T-zone, additional treatment may be applied. Hydrofacial application, deep cleansing and control of excess oil. Recommended suction setting, set it based on the individual situation. Begin treatment at the chin area, treating 2 to 3 spots before connecting them in a line. Repeat this process for other facial areas. Apply additional treatment on the nose using circular motions. During the operation, wipe the treated area with a damp cotton pad. Required product: prepare the mini flask by mixing toner and serum in a 10:1 ratio and shaking thoroughly for proper blending. Mist control: adjust the mist level using the knob at the end of the spray handle. Spray from the chin to the earlobe, the corner of the mouth to the middle of the ear, the nose to the temple. And across the forehead from the left temple to the right. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream.